Hey guys, welcome to this video on integration. Now, we've been talking about, in our last video, the fundamental theorem of calculus and looking at definite integrals. What we're going to do in integration is look at indefinite integrals. So, that is integrals that don't have upper and lower boundaries. So, if we were to write it, well, we don't have our values of a and b. It's just written as the integral of f of x dx. But when we're going to work out what these definite integrals are, we need to add on a constant term to the end of it. And I'll explain that in a minute. So, if we've got the integral of f of x dx, what this is going to be equal to is the antiderivative of f of x, given here by capital F, plus c. So, I've written here, if the capital F, the derivative of the capital F of x is just equal to f of x, then the integral of f of x with respect to x is just equal to the antiderivative of f of x plus c. Now, the reason for that, let's take the following function. Let's go x squared plus 3. Alright, the derivative of this we just know as being 2x. Now, if I asked you guys what is the antiderivative of 2x, well, it's quite simple to work out. It's just 2x to 1 plus power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, which is just equal to 2x squared over 2. The 2's cancel each other out, and you're left with x squared. But we don't have this constant plus 3 term, and that is where the plus c comes into it. We need to be able to work out what, or be able to represent what this constant term is. Now, we can't just find it straight off the bat if we're not given some extra information, and we'll go through one of those examples afterwards. So let's go through an example first. We've got integral of 2x cubed plus 3x squared with respect to x. Alright, so what is our integral here, or our antiderivative of 2x cubed? Well, our antiderivative of 2x cubed is just going to be 2x to 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus antiderivative of 3x squared, 3x to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. So all of this will be equal to, don't forget our plus c term. What we'll have here is a half x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 plus c. Alright, so hopefully this video has made a bit of sense. That's really what integration is. It's still the same basic process we're going before, but we're adding on this plus c term. Now, it's worth mentioning that c is any constant number. That means that we could have c over 2, but would still represent it as being c. So, it's just any constant number. Hopefully the video's made a bit of sense. If you've got any questions, just ask. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.